Okay, so we haven't seen you since blind auditions. So, let us remind our audiences at home tungkol sa kwento mo. Ikinuwento mo na yung tatay mo yata nagtatrabaho tapos nagkasakit. Ano yung naging sakit niya?
Ano po,
nangyari sa kanya?
na-stroke po siya.
Na-stroke siya?
Opo, na-stroke po siya.
So, ilang taon na yun nakalipas? How many years ago?
Magti 3 years na po sa June 13 po.
Okay. So, kamusta naman siya?
Hindi pa rin po siya nakakapagtrabaho po ngayon kasi parang hindi pa rin po niya nagagalaw po yung
Kamay?
yung kamay niya po.
Ano ba siya? Kaliwete or right-handed?
Right-handed po.
Right-handed siya?
Opo.
Okay. So, ano ba yung naging trabaho niya dati?
Ano po siya dati? Family driver po.
Okay.
Family driver po siya dati.
Okay. So, dahil nagka-stroke siya, hindi na siya nakakabalik sa... Okay. Understand. So, paano ka naman nakakatulong dun sa daddy mo?
Ano po, pag mga weekends po, nagigig po ako. Tapos po...
Kumakanta ka?
Opo, kumakanta po ako.
So, saan-saan?
Pag na-invite po sa mga birthday, kasal po, ganun po.
Ano nga ba yun? There was one kid na kumanta dito, KBL, kasal, birthday, libing. I remember him from the first season ng Kids, si Earl, na napunta siya sa team ni Sarah. Very, very good. At yun talaga yung gig niya. Kasal, birthday, libing. Nakakanta ka na sa libing? Hindi pa naman.
Opo.
So, nagki-KBL ka? Okay. So, bilang anak ng tatay mo, and especially since the song talks about also regret, ano yung mga nagiging regret mo with regards to yung father mo? I mean, if you had, kung meron sanang maiba, what would you want to change? Or ano yung gusto mo sanang, well, obviously, sana hindi siya nagkasakit. You know, we have this. Because I think it would just be fun. Okay. So the other one I have to reserve. But this one is for you. A silver pen. So kung ano man yun, whatever that is that you, kung ano mang regret that you feel, write it down. Sana hindi na-stroke si Papa. Okay. Okay, so this is what she's written, like it's a magic trick. So this is what she wrote. Sana hindi na-stroke si Papa. You're gonna do this. Isindi mo, tapos ilagay mo dito, na sana, yun. Don't worry, we're not gonna burn anything down. Yun. So when you sing your song, I guess you have to think about, you know, sana hindi siya nagkasakit. Sana we were able to do more. But I'm hoping he gets better. Sana gumaling siya. This thing is burning quite nicely and very quickly. I'm quite impressed. Pero yan, siya yung gamitin mong motivation sa kanta mo. When you sing, you focus lang on him. And all the sana. It's okay. It's not wrong. It's not wrong. Don't worry, it's not wrong. What you're feeling is not wrong. It's okay. Parang yan. Kung ano man yung bad feelings mo dyan, it's all, you burned it, it's there, it's there. So you let it go. Okay? May halong tawa sa iyak mo. It's okay.
Nalapit po ako sa papa ko.
Of course! Super close kayo. It's okay.
Sorry po.
No. Don't apologize. You don't have to apologize for this. Hindi mo kailangan mag-sorry sa akin dahil dito. Okay? It's not wrong. It's not wrong to feel. It's not wrong to cry. Walang mali. Okay? But it's good na you focus on Him. Pag kinanta mo to, alalahanin mo lahat ng mga ipinahayag niyang mga aral sa'yo. Siyempre, isipin mo yung pagmamahal mo sa kanya, pagmamahal niya rin sa'yo. This song is a beautiful song. You have a beautiful voice. At dahil sa pagmamahal mo, sa papa mo na nasa puso mo, mas lalong gaganda pa to. Okay? Don't worry. He will be fine. You are an artist. You have to feel something. Okay?